Did you know that more than 70% of retail investors lose money when trading? But with the right strategies, you can actually flip that script. I'm super excited to share with you my personal trading journey on eToro, where I managed to make a whopping $2,070 in 2024. It's been a wild ride, filled with ups and downs, but I've learned so much along the way, and I'm excited to pass on some of those lessons to you today. As someone who's relatively new to trading, I was totally unaware of the potential pitfalls that lay ahead. I was driven by a passion to succeed, but I quickly realized that it takes more than just enthusiasm to make it in this game. I threw myself into learning as much as I could, from reading books to watching tutorials, and slowly but surely, I started to build a solid foundation. And that's what I want to share with you today: the strategies, the mindset, and the lessons that helped me achieve this milestone. When I first started trading, I felt like I was shooting in the dark. I didn't know what I was doing, and I was making rookie mistakes left and right. But as I continued to learn and grow, I started to develop a sense of confidence that came from knowing exactly what I was doing. Fast forward to today, and I'm thrilled to say that all the hard work has paid off. I'm not going to lie, it's been a roller coaster ride, but the successes have far outweighed the failures. And that's what I want to help you achieve: the confidence to trade with ease and the knowledge to make informed decisions. Traders' biggest nightmare is market volatility. One day you're up, the next day you're down, and it's easy to get caught up in the emotional roller coaster that comes with it. You start questioning your decisions, and before you know it, you're making impulsive trades based on fear or greed. I've been there, done that, and got the t-shirt. I've lost count of how many times I've let my emotions get the better of me. But the key is to recognize when you're in that mode, take a step back, and remind yourself of your original strategy. Emotional decision-making is a killer for any trader. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a potential profit or the fear of a potential loss. But the key is to stay calm, stay focused, and stay disciplined. It's hard to do, I know. Trust me, I've been there. But the more you practice, the better you'll get at recognizing those emotional triggers and taking a step back. Another challenge that many traders face is the fear of missing out. You see everyone else making money, and you start to wonder if you're missing out on the action. But the truth is, there's always another trade, another opportunity just around the corner. Don't get me wrong, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. I've done it myself. But the key is to stay focused on your own goals, your own strategy, and your own risk management. Risk management is crucial. It's the difference between making a profit and losing your shirt. I've learned it the hard way that a single trade can wipe out your entire account if you're not careful. I've had my fair share of blowouts, where I've lost a substantial amount of money in a single trade. But the key is to learn from those mistakes, dust yourself off, and get back to work. So how did I achieve this level of success on eToro? For me, it all comes down to research, risk management, and a solid trading plan. I spend hours researching the markets, analyzing charts, and identifying potential trades. It's not glamorous work, but it's essential if you want to make informed decisions. My risk management strategy is simple. I never risk more than 2% of my account on a single trade. It's a rule that saved me from disaster more times than I can count. I've also developed a solid trading plan that outlines exactly what I'm looking for in a trade. It's my North Star, my guiding light that keeps me focused when the markets get crazy. Of course, no trading strategy is foolproof, and there are always going to be losses. But the key is to minimize those losses and maximize your gains. For me, the winning trades are all about the research, the analysis, and the patience. I take my time, I wait for the right moment, and I strike. I've had some amazing trades over the past year, but there's one that really stands out in my mind. It was a trade that made me a small fortune, and it's a trade that I'll never forget. I remember the feeling of excitement, of anticipation, as I watched the trade unfold. It was like riding a roller coaster, but instead of screaming, I was grinning from ear to ear. What made that trade so successful was the research. I'd spent hours analyzing the charts, identifying the trends, and waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When the trade finally closed, I felt an incredible sense of pride and accomplishment. It was a moment that validated all the hard work, all the sacrifices, and all the late nights. But the key to that success wasn't the trade itself, it was the emotional control. I didn't get greedy, I didn't get emotional, and I didn't get distracted. I stuck to my plan, I stuck to my strategy, and I reaped the rewards. And that's what I want to teach you, how to develop that emotional control, that discipline, and that patience. So what can you take away from my experience? What are the key lessons that I've learned along the way? For me, it's all about staying disciplined, staying focused, and staying patient. It's about developing a solid trading plan, sticking to it, and trusting the process. Trading is a journey, not a destination. It's a journey of ups and downs, of twists and turns. But with the right mindset, the right strategies, and the right discipline, you can achieve incredible things. So if you're new to trading, don't get discouraged. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep trading. And if you're an experienced trader, I hope you've taken something away from my story. Maybe it's a reminder to stay disciplined, to stay patient, or to stick to your plan. Whatever it is, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any trading experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more trading tips and strategies, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching.